Matt from Terabase Energy, and he's going to tell us a little bit about their design tool. Hi, Matt.
So Terabase Energy is focused on developing digital tools for large solar power plants. And what we're introducing at the show is our tool which helps developers to design and optimize their solar power plants. It's a familiar map interface, think something like a Google Earth, which allows you to scan a land area and identify a spot that would be suitable for solar development. The tool has a lot of rich GIS information. So for example, if I wanted to see how hilly the area is, I can visualize the degree to which there's steep slopes and stuff like that you wouldn't build solar on. So like in this case, these orange areas are too steep to build a solar project on. I can also visualize how much sunshine a place gets. So I can put a layer that shows the amount of sunshine in a region. Obviously most solar developers are going to look for the sunny spots. So this is how a developer would use it. Once somebody's identified where they want to do a solar project, they can drill into more detail. So they zoom into their spot on the Earth. At that point, they would be interested in looking at things like where are the electrical transmission lines that they'd be interested to tap into. So here's, for example, is a map showing where the transmission lines are. And I can click on them and it'll tell more information about who owns the line and how much capacity is available. And then once I've identified a spot, then I can see what the weather looks like, how much sunshine at that location, and then I can go ahead and design the plant. So in this case, I'll do a simple square. And so I basically say, okay, I'm going to build a plant next to the transmission line, and I'm going to make an electrical substation next to the big transmission line. And then I can select a technology, so we can look at monofacial panels, bifacial panels, a fixed tilt system, a tracking system, and once I've made those technology selections, then I can do a sort of a sensitivity study. I can, because there's a million ways you can configure a project, and so I can look at different ways of configuring it to see which one's going to be the most profitable for me as a developer. And so I'll pick a couple options here, and I hit submit, and then we've got a big data processing engine that's going to go ahead and engineer the design of the power plant, estimate how much it will cost, look at how much energy it will produce, and then run an IRR analysis. And using this information, the developer can identify, is this a good site, yes or no, and if it is a good site, what's the best way to configure the system. And so already I've gotten some designs back, and now it's crunching the numbers on how much energy I'll produce. And once this information's available, they can get a detailed report, and from that they can do business decisions. So.
Awesome, that's very innovative. Thank you for talking with us, Matt.
Sure, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.